So, boys, I want to read a story to all of you. I want all of you to be with me while I read this story. It's actually very interesting. It will prove all of my points, which I have been, telling you in just two videos only. Right now, only I have told you about the true nature of women. So here is this story, true story, which will prove my point to you. I just want you to stay with me for a little while. Okay, so the story goes like this. Okay, I want all of you to listen to it carefully, and if you can see in the screen, you can read it. You can read it also. Otherwise, just listen to me. Okay. One of my known senior, who is a government teacher, was in a relationship since 12 years. During his graduation, he cleared SSC CHSL and got a job. After completing his degree, when he got his teaching job, he shifted to Prayagraj. His girlfriend was preparing for straight PCS and shifted to Delhi. He regularly sent her money for books, bought her a tab, sent her fruits, etc. etc. They both promised each other that after she gets a job, they'll marry each other. He told this to his family and they agreed to his decision. Now, after 12 years, boys, notice the time period. Notice the time period. Now, after 12 years, investing his time, love, a big amount of 8 lakhs rupees. She called him yesterday and said she can't continue this relationship with him anymore. The reason is that she got selected in state PCS with a higher grade pay and doesn't find him suitable for her now. So boys, now come back to what I have just told you in my previous two videos. Women never really love a man. They never love a man ideally. They only love a man opportunistically. And if any woman is acting and behaving sweet with you, if any woman is speaking, talking very sweetly with you, don't take it as a love. It is actually her game of manipulation. She is actually trying to play her game of manipulation to you, with you, so that she can make her ends meet through you, so that she can finish money, resources, and favors from you. Boys, women never really love a man. She only plays the game of her manipulation by acting very sweet, by speaking very sweet, by behaving very sweet, so that she can make her ends meet and so that she can finish money, resources, and favors from the men. And boys, this is why I always tell you to know about the true nature of women and never ever get caught up in their sweet lies. Never fall for their game of manipulation. Never get scammed and looted by these ungrateful creatures. I have told you many times and I am telling you again, never ever do the mistake of investing too much in a woman, because women are very fickle by nature. They don't really love a man, they love them opportunistically, and it is not love, it is just their game of manipulation. They are playing with you to make their ends meet through you, to finish money, resources, and favors from you. And if you will do this mistake of going beyond an extent to invest too much in them, in the end, eventually you will be scammed, you will be looted, and this woman will not be thankful to you for anything that she has made you do for her. Boys, in case of women, always know your limit and never go beyond your limits. Never invest too much of emotions, never invest too much of time, never invest too much of effort, never invest too much of money in them. Otherwise, I am telling you boys, you will eventually find yourself standing at a place where you will feel cheated and looted and used by them. And always, whenever you do anything for women, say pay them money or do some favor for them, always make them work for it, always make them pay for it, always make them realize the worth and the value of the effort you are putting in them. also at the same time keep on making them invest in you equally, if not more, at least equally as much as you are investing in them. Boys, you must also know this one more fact about women is that it is not your investment in them which makes them fall in love with you. It is their investment in you which makes them fall in love with you. So boys, if you want any women to stay with you for longer period of time, or say to keep on acting and behaving correctly and rightly, you invest less in her and keep on making her invest more in you, because the more she will invest in you, the more she will try to stick to you, and the more she will act and behave correctly and rightly with you, and the more she will fear losing you then. And at the same time, whatever boys I have just told you, never do this stupid mistake of taking their game of manipulation as their love. Women never really love, they only love opportunistically. And if they are acting and speaking, talking very sweetly with you, it does not mean that they love you. It means that they are playing their game of manipulation with you so that they can make their ends meet through you, so that they can finish money and resources from you. And boys, never ever do this stupid mistake of going beyond your limits and investing too much in any woman, because I have told you many times, in majority of the cases, at the end you will find yourself standing in a place where you will be feeling cheated, abused, misused, used, and humiliated. And boys, in this case, in this story, if you have just listened to my today's second video, the second video that I have posted today in the morning, if you go and listen to that video, what did I just tell you in that video? That women try to neutralize everything with sex. They will make you do everything for them, they will make you pay everything to them, and in the end they will simply shrug their shoulders and tell you, so what, I gave you sex. And boys, I'm telling you, even in this case, in this story, where this woman had made this boy, this man, invest or spend his more than 8 lakh rupees and his 12 years. If this boy will go to the girl and start, asking to the girl to pay all her time and effort and money back to him, if the boy will go to the girl and tell her that it's okay, you want to move on, you move on, but at least repay my time, money and effort that you have made me invest in you for last 12 years, you know what this girl will reply to that boy? She will tell to him that, so what, I gave you sex.